To be free is something that all men needs to be. And the doctrine of Christ, the gospel of Christ, is the power of God that all men may be free. In the verse of John 8:31, coins one of the most popular verses in the Bible. The Bible said, and you shall know the truth, and the truth shall set you free. Ang katotohanan ang magpapalaya sa atin. Ngunit hindi pwedeng walang katotohanan. Ang sabi diyan, kikilalanin mo. Kung magkagayoy, tunay nga kayong mga alagad ng Panginoon. Kung kikilalanin natin, if you shall know the truth will set you free. In our age, in our time, mahalaga na ang buong sanlibutan ay makaalam ng katotohanan.